Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the unboxing for BoxyLuxe for, what month are we in? September, right? We're in September. Yeah, all month until the end. Here we go. This is the Boxycharm for September, but this is the BoxyLuxe. And if you're wondering, hey, Shelly, which probably you're not, but I'm going to tell you anyway. If you're wondering, hey, where are the Boxycharm unboxings for the last couple months? You're right, I missed them. I'm late. I don't know if you guys even still want to see them. If you do, I'm happy to unbox it as just a late unboxing, but yeah, at least this one's going out on time, so there you go. BoxyLuxe is going to be a quarterly upgrade, and that's going to include an additional charge. So instead of paying, you know, the $25 for your box, you're end up going to pay basically extra, so you're going to pay $50 in this one, and it's available to upgrade. You don't have to, it's not required, but I did, so let's go ahead and get into what it is that I got. Here we go. The theme is Fall Luxe. There you go. The first thing that's in here, this is from Rare Beauty. I will say I had not always been a big Selena Gomez, like I like some of her songs, but just over the last while, I feel like I've really become more and more of a fan of her as a person. And, you know, I see a lot of her stuff from Rare Beauty, which I've really wanted to try. So I'm kind of feeling like I'm becoming a Selenator. Is that a thing? But yeah, here we go. This is the, which one is this? Magnetic Spirit. Oh, I have to say, the packaging, phenomenal. Wow. It's like super luxe. It's really nice. Okay, here we go. Eyeshadow palette. It says, "You are rare." All right, look at those. There we go. This is stunning, but I feel like every single one of them are shimmers. And actually, I'm not that upset about it because I love shimmers and sparkle more than anything, but I feel like sometimes to make a complete look, you need at least a couple of mattes, right? Am I wrong in this? I say that while I have only shimmer on my eyes, but I'm saying, right? Anyways, this has purples, this has oranges, and a nice little cream in the middle, so I'm into this. I like it. I'm gonna give it a shot. The next thing that's in here, this is Outre by Use Me shampoo CBD. So, oh, okay, there we go. Someone explained it to me like I'm 5. I don't understand what all the fuss with CBD in everything is. I don't understand all the benefits, so explain it to me like I'm a child in the comments. I've seen it in skincare, I've seen it now in hair care, I've seen it in lip care. Help me out. What does it do? So help me out with that. This is shampoo and conditioner. I'll definitely give it a shot. Why not? This is from Cab Cosmetics. As far as I know, we've gotten a couple things from them, and I've seen a few other things in the box from them. I don't even know, where do you buy Cab Cosmetics otherwise? Is it in Sephora? I don't think it's in Sephora. I don't know where you buy it, but I've seen it several times, and the last thing that we got was an eyeshadow palette, which was okay. It didn't blow my socks off. It was okay. I've seen lip products from them. I will say this thing is huge. This thing is like really, really big. And this is it says volume 1 on the contour. Okay, so here we go. I mean, yeah, from a translucent all the way down to this caramel. Is there like a light and a dark version? I'm not sure. I feel like this is the light version, which I guess makes sense. I don't know if they have a darker version, but these pan sizes are, these pan sizes, really, really big. So definitely excited to try that out. I feel like I have so many face palettes, and I feel like the period of face palettes is sometimes over. I don't know. Is that just me? I don't know. Because they're so bulky to store. All right, this is Defense Drops. This is an herbal the new herbal supplement. That sounds like more like you're going to eat it. You're going to eat it? You eat this. Okay, so it has, for immunity, Defense Drops, herbal supplement, rosemary. I don't know if you do it just by itself or put it in water or anything. I'll read up on that. Interesting. I don't remember ever seeing like a vitamin or supplement like that before. Have I? Trying to think. There are those ones. There were those gummies, but have we seen those? The collagen hum nutrition ones or something like that? I don't know if... All right. Next up is Iconic London. This is the Triple Threat Mascara. Okay. I will say there are some items from Iconic London, including their eyebrow cushion. Absolutely one of my favorite items. I'm not huge into mascaras, but I'd be willing to give it a shot. When I look at the... Is it plastic? Oh. Okay. And I don't know if you can see this, but like it's a very thin plasticky wand. So you're going to get right up in there with that. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if I like that or I don't like that, because I feel like those plastic ones are like dangerous. So these short little spikes. I might like that. I'll give it a shot. I'll report back. Says, shh, let's just sleep. It's a sleep mask. It's a hot and cool gel bead eye mask from Grace and Stella. I will say we've gotten face masks in gel type things before from them, and I feel like it's a very expensive brand. Whether it's worth it or not, I think most of the time, no. Oh, very squishy in here. Okay, all right. And it's got like a little Velcro thing on the back for putting this on. All right, that sounds kind of neat. You can microwave it for 10 to 15 seconds, or you could probably put it in the freezer. So interesting, depending on if you want hot or cold. There you go. This is from Saturday Skin. You know, honestly, we've gotten a lot of stuff from Saturday Skin in here before. Yeah, a lot. Some of it has been pretty good. Some of it's been okay. This is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Okay. And it has an exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and radiance or renewal. So I would have to assume, oh, it's got like a holographic-y type of, oh, it kind of smells like sherbet or something, but it's very, yeah, it's very whipped. Huh. Curious. All right, we'll give that a shot. And then this is from the lifestyle company Bamboo Body Polish. Oh, sounds gritty and oh, it kind of spilled. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, it smells like a lightly scented body wash. It has some grit in there. I'm not always crazy about body washes or body polishes that are in a tub like this, because you either have to reach in with your fingers or you have to try and like pour it out. I would prefer it in like some sort of squeezy bottle that you have something that dispenses. And now I've got like little granules all over my hand, so I'm not loving that, but there you go. Yeah, I guess that's everything that's in the box. I have to say, was it worth $50? I don't know, honestly. The thing I'm probably most excited about maybe is that Rare Beauty thing, and the rest is just kind of, it's okay. You know, I'm not wowed by it. I don't know if it's just me. Y'all too. Are you guys getting box exhaustion? If you've been with a lot of these boxes and Ipsy and whatnot and everything for, you know, several years like I have, I feel like it's just more and more stuff and clutter in my house. And so, yeah, I'm just kind of, I don't know if I need to keep doing it. Anyways, that's a whole other story. Let me know what you thought of the box. I will put on screen the whole retail value of everything that I got in my box. Again, I paid $50 for it. I would say, honestly, I might have just stuck with the $25 box this month because I don't know if it was worth it to necessarily upgrade. That's my personal thoughts and what I have to say about it. Let me know what you think as well, and I'll see you guys in a video very soon. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!